Facial recognition. Windows Hello. We couldn't find a camera compatible with Windows Hello Face. Did you see this kind of message? Don't worry, here is the solution. Before starting, what is Windows Hello? The Windows Hello technology enables Windows 10 and Windows 11 users to authenticate secure access to devices, apps, online services, and networks. It uses fingerprints, iris scans, and facial recognition, depending on user preferences, using sophisticated technology to secure computer systems. Windows Hello Face authentication utilizes a camera, specially configured for near-infrared imaging to authenticate and unlock Windows devices, as well unlock your Microsoft Passport. You must have devices with integrated special infrared IR sensors and software. I think now you understand why your laptop camera is not supporting face login. Do not search anymore and don't waste your time. You should need an IR camera.